We are here at George Mason University campus for the 2024 Fairfax County Affordable Housing Symposium. We've been doing this for several years, and it brings together all aspects of affordable housing into one place. We can speak with developers, realtors, elected officials, as well as other people who we need to help make affordable housing available throughout the county.
And what I'm hopeful is that as this venue and this symposium continues to grow, that we bring in more people to the conversation who care about housing and affordable housing or real estate and help figure out your best fit. How can you help? How can you be a resource? Whether you are in the policy sector, the nonprofit sector, or even the private sector, what role could you take in this pivotal time in housing?
One university we are very proud of at the Fairfax County Redevelopment Housing Authority. This is just one example of so many developments that we are working on and have opened actually in the last couple of years throughout the county. And I think it's a really good example, especially because it has all types of housing in it, to show what we can do when we come together under the umbrella of the importance of Fairfax County of affordable housing. And if we put everybody together that needs to be together, what we can actually create here in the county.
So the benefits of affordable housing in my life has been the ability to help my family become stabilized. My family and I lost everything and became homeless a few years ago, and this provided an avenue for us to get back into housing and to become stable to continue to raise our children.
Affordable housing is necessary in every corner of this county. There is no place that doesn't need it. It's important to the economics, it's important to the community life of everybody in the county. So we want to put it everywhere that we can.